How are my farm animals doing? Well, let's take a look and see. Here's Paperclip. Here's Nelson. Our new rooster. Let's take a look at the Silkies. Let's take a look right now. Here they are. This is Snickers' crew. And the new rooster of her is Spot. And there's some new girls. Here's Snickers over here. Snickers. She's taking care of most of Randy's children. And over here. These chickens are doing absolutely fine. Next to show. Guys. Meet the black and blues. That's what I call them. Here's Bun Bun over here. Here is Gina. And I think this one's Doreen. I only named 3. Look, this girl has nice feathers. She fully grew them. She got her feathers back. Randy's jealous because I'm not showing him. Be careful, these escape. Here's Randy and Reese's daughter, what Randy is taking care of right now. If you put another chicken in here, Randy might fight the other chicken. Next to show is the big chickens. Joe Paperclip. And Nelson's doing some weird things lately. He's following me around and biting me and fighting me. Here's Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. If he comes to you, then you follow him around, do it back to him, and he'll stop. You see? He's doing some weird things, following me. Show you. Elizabeth, are you following me? I named her after Queen Elizabeth. ducks stopped laying eggs. Here are the ducks right now. We got more new boys. Here's the black ripple. Fiona got all of her feathers. Zachary. Princess. Blue. Blue had some new babies and they turned into kids. Hello, Blue. Hello. I named this one Bandit. And I named this one Cola. Here's Woodface right now. One of her babies got a new home, which is Maggie. Now he's called Michael. Hello. I haven't named the other 6 babies yet, and here's Lumiere. Here's Holly. Here's Maisie. She had lots of babies this year. And here's Darcy. She had babies too. Fiona quit being a mom. Did you quit? Did you quit, Fiona? Here's Delilah. Here's Darkwing. He has some angel wing. Here's Staples. Here's Daphne. Here's Charlie. And over here, here's Bindi. Here's Mango. Or Mango's over here, yeah. And that's Tina. I usually forget sometimes. Maisie and Darcy's babies are getting really big. They now turn into teenagers. Here's Scritches. She's molting right now. Here's Jess. Here is Princess Alyssa. Here's Queen Alyssa. Here's Walnut. Here's Walnut Jr. She got pretty big. Here's Mess. This baby got angel wing. Excuse me, girls. Here's Pepper over here. He's getting a new coat. And I noticed Shadow isn't here. Also, Scritch Jr. is missing too. They might be just laying eggs. Hello, boys. Hello, Mango. I think Freydis started laying eggs. I forgot to show you Eagly, but that's okay. Oh, Eagly's right here. Scritch Jr.'s there too. Scritch Jr.'s near Nelson, and Eagly's near Walnut. Oh, Freydis is over here by Vanessa. Noisy Elizabeth. I had a question. Where's Hannah? Hannah is the wean Americana. And I found a wasp. And it's really big. The reason why Michael got to a new home is because of his genetics. Same thing with Lumiere here. If Lumiere's genetics mix with a new baby, then we'll start having problems. That's why Lumiere's going to a new home soon. A satin silky. The satin silky Americana mix is very weird. Elizabeth, what are you doing? Oh. The ducks haven't laid eggs in a while. We had to wait till the spring, the time they have new babies. And Delilah's doing the weird mouth thing. Darkwing, why did you bite Princess?
Bad.
This is why I have too many boys. Boys are problems. Now you see why. That's why Maverick isn't here. Stapleton has been a bully a month ago, or maybe 2. I don't know. He has bit Delilah, Daphne, and Blue and her babies. Maverick kept mating Stapleton's girls, and Stapleton gives Maverick lessons, and he doesn't listen. So we just have one adult male, Stapleton. We're planning Zachary to be a new king of the ducks, so we might get rid of Darkwing and that Ripple Boy, and of course Paperclip over there. Lumiere doesn't crow, which is weird, but Michael has crowed. Lumiere's a weird type of rooster. He doesn't crow at all. He never has. If you wait a few seconds, he'll still not do it. Let's check here if Hannah's laying eggs or not. Nope. It's all clear. Let's check if Hannah's still with Nelson. I can't. I guess I'm a bit trapped. Be right back. There's no sign of your sister. And Nelson's doing his thing. Following me around. Found a dragonfly and no, Nelson, you can't follow me. I'll follow you back, boy.